Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Resolve app. First, familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, which features 7 dedicated pages for different tasks. Begin by importing your media files into the media pool, which is crucial for any project. You can drag and drop files directly or use the Import Media option. Organizing your clips here saves significant time later, ensuring a smooth workflow from the very start. Next, dive into the editing process. The cut page is perfect for quickly assembling your footage and making initial trims, often saving you hours. For more detailed work, the edit page offers extensive control over your timeline, allowing for precise cuts and adjustments. Here, you can also add dynamic transitions, engaging titles, and various visual effects to elevate your storytelling and captivate your audience. Now, let's refine your project's look and sound. The color page is incredibly powerful, allowing you to perform professional color correction to balance your shots. You can then apply creative color grades to establish a unique visual style, making your video truly stand out. For audio, the Fairlight page provides a comprehensive suite of tools to mix, master, and enhance your sound, ensuring crystal-clear dialogue and impactful soundscapes. Finally, it's time to share your creation. On the Deliver page, select your desired export settings, choosing formats like H.264 for web or ProRes for professional delivery. Ensure you render your final video in the highest quality possible, typically at least 1080 pixels, to maintain visual fidelity. Once rendered, your masterpiece is ready to be shared across social media, streaming platforms, or with clients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.